Hello everyone, welcome back to Mystic Pour Studio. In today's video, we are diving into the magical world of agate-inspired geode resin art by creating a stunning tray with crushed glass details. So let's begin. Today I'll be working with a rectangular geode or agate mold to create this tray. I'll be using two types of resin for this project, a 1:1 geode resin for the intricate details and a 3:1 resin for filling in the mold. In two additional small containers, I'll add crushed glass in two colors, pink and black, and mix it with the geode resin. The link to all the products used in this video are available in the description. Because the mixture is quite thick, I'll use two sticks to place the crushed glass onto the mold in lines. You can shape it into any design you like. Now that the crushed glass is in place, I'll add mica powder in three colors, peacock blue, pearl white and gold to the 3:1 resin mix. These colors will give the tray a stunning vibrant finish. I'll start by adding the green and white colors first, filling the mold carefully. Once it's filled, I'll use the gold mix to create some lines on top for adding details. Be sure not to overfill the mold so the resin doesn't cover the crushed glass design. Using a blowgun, I'll gently move the resin around, blending the colors beautifully and creating a unique flowing effect for the final look. I have now blended the three colors in one container and I'm going to pour this mixture into the handle mold. This will create a contrasting color for the handles compared to the tray. I leave the first layer to cure overnight. It's been 12 hours and I have mixed another batch of the 3:1 resin for the final layer of the tray. It's time to demold the handles. The colors have turned out beautifully. I'll now place them on the tray and apply a final transparent layer of resin to secure everything in place. It's time to demold. Our stunning resin tray with contrasting handles is complete. The vibrant colors and the elegant design truly showcases the beauty of resin art. Once the final layer cures, you'll have a gorgeous piece that's not only functional but also a fantastic decor item. Thank you for watching everyone. Stay tuned for more.